Today's short story is titled Rainbow Fish. So why don't we go ahead and start reading that now. So here's the cover page for Rainbow Fish, and I will leave a link to this in the description down below. Far out in the sea lived a fish. No ordinary fish, however. He was the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. His scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. The other fish liked his colorful scales and called him Rainbow Fish. "Come on, play with us, Rainbow Fish." But Rainbow Fish was proud and swam past them. A little blue fish swam along behind him. "Rainbow Fish, wait for me. Please give me one of your glittering scales. They are so beautiful, and you have got so many." "Give you one of my scales? What are you thinking of?" cried Rainbow Fish. "Get away from me." Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. Still excited, he told his friends about it. From then on, nobody wanted any more to do with Rainbow Fish. They turned away when he swam past them. What use were Rainbow Fish's beautiful scales if they were no longer admired by anyone? Now he was the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. "I'm so beautiful. Why doesn't anyone like me?" In a cave behind the coral reef lives the wise octopus. "Perhaps he can help you," said the starfish. Rainbow Fish found the cave. It was very dark here. He could hardly see anything. Then suddenly he saw two glowing eyes. "I have been expecting you," said the octopus in a deep voice. "Listen to my advice. Give every fish one of your glittering scales. Then you may not be the most beautiful fish in the ocean, but you will be happy again." "Give away my scales? My beautiful glittering scales?" thought Rainbow Fish, horrified. "Never, no. How could I be happy without them?" Suddenly, he felt the light touch of a fin. The little blue fish was back. "Rainbow Fish, please, don't be angry. Please give me one of your glittering scales, a small one." Rainbow Fish hesitated. "A very, very small scale," he thought. "Why not? I will hardly miss it." Rainbow Fish carefully pulled off the very smallest of his glittering scales. "Here, I'll give you this one, but now leave me in peace." Thank you very much," burbled the little blue fish excitedly. "You are kind, Rainbow Fish." Rainbow Fish felt quite strange. The little blue fish darted through the water with his glittering scale. Soon, Rainbow Fish was surrounded by other fish. All of them wanted to have a glittering scale. Rainbow Fish shared out his scales and felt very happy. "Come on, Rainbow Fish, come and play with us," called the others. "I'm coming," said Rainbow Fish, and went happily with the other fish. That's the end of the story for Rainbow Fish. So that's today's short story. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.